a book all the way to God by Katie and Michael Culiano. I'll never forget the night I told my daddy how much I really love him. All my brothers were running around getting ready for bed. I finished first and got under the cover. I wait for my daddy to tuck me in, always with a kiss and a question. Good night, Katie. How much does Daddy love you? He asked. You love me this much, Daddy? I stretched my arms as far as I could. But, Daddy, I love you even more. I love you all the way to the ceiling. Daddy looked a little surprised. I'd never tried to top him before. Well, Katie, if you love you all the way to the ceiling, then I love you all the way to the roof. Daddy, if you love me all the way to the roof, then I love you all the way to the top of the tree. Daddy didn't even blink when he said, if you love me all the way to the top of the tree, then I love you all the way up to the clouds. This game was getting to be fun. Daddy, if you love me all the way to the clouds, then I love you all the way to the sky. Katie, if you love me all the way to the sky, then I love you all the way to the satellites in space. I wasn't too sure how far that was, but I could go even further. Daddy, if you love me all the way to the satellites in space, then I love you all the way to the moon. Well, if you love me all the way to the moon, then I love you all the way to Pluto. Daddy knows all about space. It was getting harder to beat him. Daddy, if you love me all the way to Pluto, then I love you all the way to the stars. For the first time, Daddy did answer right away, but then he smiled. That face, he knows he's going to win. Katie, if you love me all the way to the stars, then I love you all the way end of the galaxy. Oh boy, I didn't know what a galaxy was, but it sure sounded big and far. I knew I still love my daddy even more. Daddy, you may love me end of the galaxy, but I love you even more. I love you all the way to God. Daddy was quiet for a moment. Then a great big smile spread across his face. Katie, that is the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. That's as far as love can go. I love you to Katie, and I love you all the way to God. Each night, when our family goes to bed, Daddy asks us all his loving question. How much does Daddy love you? And we all know the answer. All the way to God. All the way to God by Katie and Michael Puliano. Bye-bye!